The electric shock. Why are tire changes so pricey? Zipping around in a quiet, eco-friendly electric car sounds pretty great, right? You're saving the planet and enjoying a smooth ride, but then comes a bump in the road, the cost of changing your tires. It's a shock many electric car owners weren't prepared for. Why is it so expensive? Let's get to the bottom of this pricey problem. Think about it. Electric cars are packed with cutting-edge technology. Everything from the battery to the braking system is high-tech. So it's no surprise that this advanced engineering trickles down to the tires, but those fancy features come at a cost. Get ready to dig a little deeper into your wallet. The rubber that meets the road. Why tire care matters. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of electric car tire costs, let's talk about why tire care is so important. Your tires are the only things connecting your car to the road. They're responsible for your safety, your car's fuel efficiency, and even how smooth your ride feels. Imagine driving with worn-out tires. Scary, right? You could lose control, especially in bad weather. Plus, worn tires make your car work harder, guzzling more fuel or battery power. So, taking care of your tires isn't just about saving money in the long run. It's about staying safe on the road. Price check. Traditional cars versus electric cars. Let's talk numbers. Changing tires on a traditional gas-powered car is usually pretty affordable. You can find decent tires at a reasonable price, and the labor costs aren't too bad either. But when it comes to electric cars, be prepared to shell out more cash. Think about it. Electric cars are heavier than their gas-powered counterparts because of those massive batteries. That extra weight puts more strain on the tires, wearing them down faster. Plus, electric cars are all about efficiency, so they often use special, low rolling resistance tires designed to maximize range. These tires are great for squeezing every mile out of your battery, but they tend to be pricier. The weight of innovation factors driving up electric car tire costs. We've touched on a few reasons why electric car tires are more expensive, but let's break it down even further. One major factor is the sheer weight of these vehicles. Think of it this way. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack all day. You'd get tired faster, right? The same goes for your car's tires. The added weight of those powerful electric batteries puts more stress on the rubber, leading to faster wear and tear. And, as we mentioned earlier, electric cars often use special tires designed for optimal efficiency. These tires are made with advanced materials and tread patterns that help reduce friction and maximize range. While these technological advancements are great for the environment and your wallet in the long run, they do come at a higher upfront cost. So next time you're marveling at the sleek design and impressive range of an electric car, remember that those innovations might just translate to a slightly bigger bill when it's time for new tires.